Hey y'all, Mario Martinez Jr. And in today's LinkedIn tip, I'm going to show you a brand new feature that was just released. What is it? LinkedIn tagging. Now, yeah, you might say, wait a minute, I've always been able to tag, but you've never been able to tag as associated with a picture that you might post to LinkedIn. And while this may be very old school for Facebook and for other social platforms, this is brand new to LinkedIn. Now, what we want to be thinking about is how to leverage this in the sales world. Let me show you right now. Oh, and by the way, why don't you below in the comments, make sure you tell me how you might use this feature in the sales process. Let's get started. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna show you LinkedIn, and I'm going to grab hold of a picture. And here's the picture right here. And notice this new feature called Click Anywhere to Tag. All right, let's take a look. We're gonna tag these individuals that are gonna be on my particular webinar here. Rashmi, Joe Schwartz, and notice how I'm not actually putting in the @ mention on any of these individuals' names. And last one is Paul Johns. There we are. We could also add alt text. How do you describe this photo? This is for search engine optimization. So this would be enter into the mind of the marketing buyer. Webinar. Vengreso. Save that, hit next. And now LinkedIn has tagged these individuals on this particular photo so that they're automatically notified when a picture has been loaded for them. So that's the new LinkedIn picture tagging feature. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like down below on YouTube. If you're watching it on LinkedIn or on YouTube, leave a comment directly below and let me know how you think you might be using this feature to engage with prospects or buyers. That's what I want to hear from you. Take care, y'all.